good morning. Welcome back here in our channel. We are here in town. If you can see across the road, there, in that area, from there, that's what they called it, Narra Road. So down there, across to Jollibee, it's a big area, right? They said that they gonna demolish this area in here. We are not sure yet why, but we heard that they gonna build another mall in this area. So up to there. So down that area. So over that area, across in Chinese school. That area there, it's a big area. They said all the Narra Road they're going to demolish. But I don't know when, because they said that it's always postponed, the demolition. So we're gonna walk down there, over there. Oops, sorry. So we are here in front of this hotel, Friends Hotel. So across to that, so that's what they said. And across to this hotel also, there you can see those area there, down to there, to the bottom, they're gonna demolish.
Falling down, I think. Right?
The others, they just knock their shop in their own. They knocked their shop in their own. They didn't wait for the demolition team. So maybe so they can use the materials again if they're gonna build something. So in that area over there, so they put no trespassing in that area, that they gonna knock it down. So those are the areas, and I'm sorry to all the people that is what is that called, involved, or you know, that their property is included to demolish. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.